Friar shop today. Exclusive. Well, the exclusive. We'll be doing a little sip and sewing today. You feel me?
Okay. Hey everyone, this is BP Xxclusive.
And I'm Friar.
And today we're going to be doing a sip and sew video for you guys. So we're going to be sipping on
some Douce.
And we're going to be making joggers. So he's going to be using the
black fabric.
and I'm going to be using the pink neoprene. It's neoprene fabric. And like they kind of use this for like scuba. People use this for like scuba material as well. And then also we have the 3M reflective, I don't know if you guys can see it, if it's reflective ribbon for our strip on the side of our joggers. So without further ado, let's get started.
Alright y'all, so before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and take a shot for y'all. Since it's our favorite, you know, we like Douce.
Okay, so we're gonna start on his joggers. So we're gonna actually use a pair of his jeans to cut out the pattern onto the fabric. So we're gonna do that right now.
So before I go ahead and cut the other back side of the joggers, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shot for you guys with my Douce. Don't forget to leave a little bit of room up top for your waistband. So let's go ahead and get the second piece cut out.
now I'm sewing the front middle seam and the back middle seam of the pants. So right now we're going to sew the waistband together, and then after we sew it together, we're going to attach it to the joggers. So this is when we attach the waistband to the joggers. Now that we attach the waistband to the joggers, we're going to insert the elastic waistband to the pants. Now we're sewing the elastic waistband together. That little opening that we left to insert it, we're going to sew that down as well. So now I'm just top stitching down the waistband onto the joggers. So now I'm just doing a straight stitch along the bottom of the jogger pants. So now I'm just doing a straight stitch along the bottom of the...
Alright guys, so here you have it. This is the final product of the neoprene black joggers with the 3M strip going down the side.
Thank you for watching my video. This is BP Exclusive and Friar with the Sip and Sew. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.